Welcome to another video from Meditation Eye. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on meditation, mindfulness, and spirituality. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment below. Today, we're going to explore spiritual altar ideas and how you can create a personal sanctuary right in your own home. An altar is a sacred space, a place for reflection, meditation, and spiritual connection. It's a physical manifestation of your inner spiritual journey, a place where you can focus your intentions and cultivate a deeper sense of peace and purpose. Creating a spiritual altar at home is a deeply personal process. It's about creating a space that resonates with your beliefs, aspirations, and spiritual practices. Whether you're just beginning your spiritual journey or you're looking to enhance your existing practices, setting up a spiritual altar can be a powerful step towards deepening your connection with the divine. Let's start with the basics. Your altar should be clean and free of clutter. This is a space for reflection and meditation, so it's important to keep it tidy and serene. You can set up your altar indoors or outdoors, at home, or even discreetly at your place of work. The size of your altar can vary. It can be a small part of a table or a dedicated room, depending on your preference and available space. When choosing items for your altar, consider what resonates with you. You might include symbolic items such as stones, feathers, pine cones, or other natural items found in nature. Photos, crystals, candles, incense, and small statues can also add a personal touch to your altar. If you're interested in feng shui, you might arrange your altar according to these principles. Feng shui is an ancient Chinese practice that aims to harmonize individuals with their surrounding environment. It's all about balancing energies to create harmony and flow. Once you've set up your altar, it's important to maintain its energy. You can do this by regularly cleaning it physically and energetically. Physical cleaning might involve dusting and rearranging items, while energetic cleaning could involve using incense, sage, singing bowls, bells, or clapping. Your focus, prayer, and intention can also cleanse and enhance your altar. When you approach your altar with a clear mind and a focused intention, you infuse it with positive energy. This energy can then support you in your spiritual practices. Remember, your altar is a reflection of your spiritual journey. It's a space for you to connect with the divine, however you understand it. As you grow and evolve, your altar can change and evolve with you. Creating a spiritual altar at home is a beautiful way to honor your spiritual journey and create a sacred space for reflection, meditation, and connection. We hope this video has inspired you with ideas for creating your own spiritual altar at home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with creating a spiritual altar at home. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on meditation, mindfulness, and spirituality. Thank you for watching.